Emerging trends and technology. We have become a generation almost entirely dependent on technology. Things were done very differently decades ago than they are now. One thing we cannot deny is that technology has made life a lot simpler. Innovation represents the implementation of new or significantly improved products, services, and processes. I can also imply new organizational models, methods of service and delivery, ways of relating to customers, and approaches to marketing. The healthcare has been transformed with emerging technology and the widespread adoption of electronic health records. These trends, coupled with advances in analytics software, mobile technologies, sensors, and genomic sequencing that make possible to capture large amounts of information about individual patient populations and environments in which they live. These are the basis of data-driven healthcare, defined as the effective use of vast amounts of data collected in the process of managing and health and well-being of millions of patients in a continuous effort to improve the quality, efficiency, cost of care and more personalized care for each individual. Some emerging trends and technologies in healthcare are telemedicine, with the remote delivery of healthcare services such as health assessments or consultations over the telecommunication infrastructure, allowing healthcare providers to evaluate, diagnose, and treat patients without the need for an in person visit. Another trend is 3D imaging, augmented and virtual reality. MRI, CAT scan, ultrasound, and mammography allow viewing patients' body parts, organs, and tissues in 3D. Precision can be achieved during surgery with the use of 3D cameras to avoid the use of microscopes to locate organs and blood vessels accurately, reducing possible damage to healthy tissue. Despite physicians' capabilities to analyze patients' symptoms and make diagnoses, humans can only process quickly limited volume of information. That is where artificial intelligence software can support experience and proficiency. Artificial intelligence encompassing machine learning and big data analysis to make multiple healthcare processes faster and more effective, allowing for automated diagnosis based on medical images, predicted disease progression with chances to develop complications for further readmission, predicted reaction to chemotherapy in cancer patients, calculate groups at risk, patients based on their vitals, heredity, and prior diseases. Other future solutions will support natural language processing. Big data in healthcare comes in big chunks of unstructured information. If surgeons, physicians, and nurses are able to input information directly with their voice, this will reduce time, effort, and ultimately costs. Another trend is robotic surgery, also called robot-assisted surgery. The benefits of robotic surgery include more precision, increased flexibility, higher control, and smaller cuts. Some of its current application areas are hip replacement, kidney transplant, hysterectomy, mitral valve repair, and more. Management information system couples with new technology managing, collecting, and transforming data into a visual form to support activities of companies for business